In this section of the course, we're going to discuss files, file association, hidden files, previous versions, and data recovery. So what exactly is a file? A file is an object on a computer that stores data. Now, when we think about objects that store things, what comes to mind? Let's go ahead and take a look at our drive board and see if we can get a very simple, clear understanding of what exactly a file is. Now, no doubt, some things in your home need to be stored. Sometimes perishable items, things like that. A file, like we stated, is basically a container that stores data. Kind of like a container that stores fruit. The fruit in the container would be the data. Would be maybe your pay stub, the amount you were paid, or birthday arrangements on a card, things like that. That's all a file is. Let's go ahead and take a look at a very simple demonstration of creating a text file. I'm going to right click on the desktop, select New, and Text Document. And I'm going to name it My First File. Double click it, and as you can see, there's no data within this text document. Exactly the same way we explained the fruit being in a bowl. So in this case, the file would be the container. The notepad document basically would be the container. Now, let's go ahead and add fruit. This is equivalent to the picture that we just saw. And that's all a file is. A file is just a container that stores data. You have files for programs, files for services, processes, things like that. So I just want to give a very basic introduction to files so that way they're not intimidating. In the next course, we're going to discuss file association.